how to find your TDR history on the official IRCTC website. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. In this simple tutorial, I will be guiding you through the steps of how you can find your TDR history on your official IRCTC account. So the first thing that you will need to do is come to this website, that is the official IRCTC website, which is irctc.co.in. So once you are in the website, you need to log in with your IRCTC credentials, and once you have successfully logged in, you will see an interface like this. So once this interface appears, you need to hover your cursor over to this my accounts option, and under this hover it towards this my transactions. Now under this particular option, you can see this option that says TDR history. So simply click onto this TDR history button in order to view all of the past TDRs that you have filed with the IRCTC. So click here and it will fetch you all the TDR history that you have done. Currently in my case it says no transaction found, as I have never did any TDR filing before this particular video, so that is why it is blank. But in your case, if you have filed any previous TDRs, they all will be appearing under this particular page. So that's how easily you can access all of your TDR history for your official IRCTC account. So that was all for this simple and easy tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful and exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.